I got a new trick to show you that will make your team, your boss, and everyone in your company really like you. So, a week ago, I thought about an idea. We just built a built-in integration in Script.it that allows you the freedom to do whatever, almost whatever you want with your own LinkedIn account. And then I thought, I have a problem. I'm missing some of the posts that Neve, the founder of Script.it, is posting on LinkedIn, and I don't want to miss them. See, LinkedIn is a team effort, you know? We're not a big team at Script.it, and I really want to make sure that every post that someone on the team is posting, I'm amplifying them. I'm helping them grow their reach and get to more people. I want to help them grow. That's part of my job as growth engineer at Script.it. So how can I do that? So basically the way you do it is to go on LinkedIn every once in a while, hope that you see their posts when you're scrolling LinkedIn feed. But if I learned something in life is that you don't want to trust LinkedIn. So I built something quite nice that I want to show you, and I want to show you how you can use it for yourself. And basically this screen. All right, so this is like new LinkedIn post script, which is a public script. It's a new feature that we've built in Script.it, which allows users to publish a script they've built. So I built this script for myself, and then I decided, why not publish it and give it to all you guys? So the link to this published script will be in the description of the video. So drop a like on the video and then get in, sign up to Script.it if you don't have an account yet, and you can use it. I want to show you exactly how we'll do it together. So this is the script. It has a 9 a.m. Daily trigger. Every day at 9 a.m. it triggers, it starts the automation, no agent required. It just runs on a schedule. And then it has very simple blocks, 2 blocks. The first one, it finds new posts from people that I've defined, profile URL, post to scan, and then it just drops a like on my behalf from my account. It's not bots that are spreading likes. We're not doing anything like that. And just want to make sure that my team posts are getting my like on LinkedIn. So that's what it does. Finds the posts, liking them, all through my account. So how do you guys can use it? So you just click here, using Script.it, and then it takes you into Script.it. You can choose the workspace. I have already the script because I published it. So we'll rename it. And now we have the script here. So it's the same script we saw in the published version, and this is the not published version. It's inside our workspace, and now we can customize it to our liking. So the cool thing about Script.it is that for you to customize anything, any template, any published script you see in our template gallery, or some friend sent you, or you steal it from this video, you don't need a lot of things. All you need to do is just go here to the chat, tell him exactly what you want to modify, and ask him to set up the script for you, and it will do it. So let me type in for a second the prompt. And here we go. I just typed in the prompt, help me set up the script. Those are the LinkedIn profiles and pages I want to track. Every morning on working days, run the script and like any new post you can find. 5 LinkedIn profiles, 4 LinkedIn profiles, 1 LinkedIn company page, and I tagged the script so it would know which script to set up for me. Now I'm just sending it to the agent, and simple as that, the agent would just start working on the script. No need for you to drag and drop and get into definitions and where is this and where is that. Super simple. You just type everything to the agent and he does everything for you. I think this is one of the things that make Script.it different, that it's basically built for the AI agent era, you know? So back in the day at Zapier, even if you take a template, or even now in N8N, you take a template from the template gallery and then, okay, now I need to understand how to change it and how to customize it for myself and how to set it up with my data, with my tools, with my everything. And here it all changes. Once you have an AI agent that lives inside the context of the script, and it can see the script, it has the tools and knowledge and context that it needs to operate on your behalf. So you have a worker, you have a professional automation builder that works for you and doesn't complain, always available. And so he found a script. He's now calling the APIs, tools that it needs to edit the script. And yeah, so we'll watch it working live. I want to say a few words in the meanwhile about LinkedIn automation in general. So it's a new built-in integration in Script.it. And I think for me, it's well, maybe it sounds big, but for me, it's a dream come true because LinkedIn was always a pain in my behind because LinkedIn is super important. In tech world, we are all willingly or not willingly, we live in LinkedIn. Everything happens on LinkedIn. Everyone is in LinkedIn. And the ability to perform actions there is super important, but the alternatives right now are horrible. Right now, you see, it started editing the script. So the alternative right now for LinkedIn automation is basically platforms that rep the same API, I guess, as we do, and they take a lot of money for a seat. But I don't think that's the main angle here. I think the main value prop that Script.it offers you in LinkedIn automation is that you have the freedom to customize everything like you should with an agent, but you can customize everything to your liking. For example, this idea and liking new posts from my teammates, no one would have built a platform for that. And I don't need to drag and drop. I told you 9 a.m. Israel, yeah. And so I don't need to drag and drop. I don't need to build it all of my own. I can just tell the agent, that's what I did. That's how I built this script. I just told him I have an idea. I want to, for every new script, started with my boss, with Niv, the founder of Script.it and CEO. It started with him. I told him it was partially a joke. Yeah. It was partially a joke. I told him that I want to build a script with the new integration to like every post that it does, because sometimes I miss it. I miss them. Sometimes he posts and I don't go to LinkedIn that day and I miss the post, and I want to really help his posts grow. It's part of my agenda here, and I want to grow Script.it. So it's perfectly aligned with what I want to do, but if for that I would need to pay $100 a month to some platform, and then I would need to learn the platform and how to do it and what's the steps, and they don't have the steps, and they didn't build the pre-configured blocks for me for my frameworks. I don't need that in Script.it. I can just plug in the integration, the new LinkedIn integration connects to my personal LinkedIn account, and then it can perform the actions on my behalf. So liking a post is only one action. It can also send invites to people, do a profile visit. So you'll pop up as you checked out someone's profile. You can send messages. You can reply to me. You can get a notification when you get a message. You can do a lot of things. Basically, all I've dreamed of in LinkedIn automation, and you can do it easily with an agent that knows the automation, knows the guidelines, knows how to build complex triggers and complex actions and complex workflows. So you won't need to learn how to code. You don't need to learn how to mess around with the little details. The agent will take care of all of this, but you do need to bring your own ideas. You need to bring your own frameworks for what you want to do. So we have a tagline I like in Script.it, which is humans should work off script, which means agents should work on script. Agents should do whatever they need to do. They need to code. They need to notice the steps they need to take. But us humans are not the same. We need to be creative. We need to think about new ideas to do things. We need to think about what we want to achieve and how to achieve it. And that's the place where when humans shine. And that's the place where humans shine. So, all right. So that's it, basically. It's set up. I'm going to shut down Trigger because I have this automation running already. And that's it. So go ahead. The link is in the description. You can take it, import it to your workspace, and start setting it up with the agent. And when your boss sends you the promotion, don't forget me. Send me a text. All right. See you next time.